important concept, that is channel keyword. Now, channel keyword is very much important because that keywords are going to rank you. That keywords are going to make your channel pop up when those keywords are going to be searched by people. Now, channel keyword should be something in general. Okay, when it comes to video keywords, then it is something very much specific, like exactly what your video is all about. That is a video keyword. But when it comes to channel keyword, it should be in a general way, like all your videos. Okay, maybe there is something your channel is about, something like maybe online courses, online IT related courses, or maybe something for cooking, any niche of yours, that is a channel keyword. Okay, you should be in a general form. There is nothing much specific, but it should describe what your channel is exactly about. Okay, now how can you add channel keywords? Let us learn now how to add channel keywords. On the right top, guys, can you see a icon? Can you see your icon? Okay, I'll click on that icon. Then I'm going to click on YouTube Studio. The third option which you can see is YouTube Studio. I'm going to click on YouTube Studio. The next thing what I need to do is go into settings, and I'm going to change the keywords. You should list down the keywords which you want to add in your channel keywords, which you want your channel for rank for. That all keywords you should have a list. Then you are going to add those listed keywords here itself. Okay, now can you see the option of settings here? At the left bottom you will see the option of settings. Click on settings, then click on channel. Can you see the second option, channels? Click on channels. Then country of residence is India, and then add your keyword here, for example online courses. Now what if you want, see, you are not going to just add a single keyword. You're going to add 2, 3 or many keywords. Okay, a bunch of keywords. So what if you want to add more than one keywords? Okay, you are going to put a comma. Okay, see, online courses, then IT courses. Okay, whatever I want to put, I'm just going to add a comma, and I'm just going to add my keywords. For adding many keywords, you have to put comma after each keyword. So in this way you can add your keywords. Then what you're going to do is click on save. I've just written down this online courses and IT courses just for example. You're going to write all the bunch of set of keywords that you've selected. You have sorted it down. You're going to add all those keywords here, and then what you're going to do is just click on save. Then it is done, guys. In this way you're going to add your channel keywords. I'm repeating it again, guys. Channel keyword should be a generalized keyword that is talking about the whole channel, about your whole channel, not about a specific video. When it comes to video keywords, it is what your video is carrying out. Okay, and channel keyword means what your channel is all about, which type of videos you're going to give to your customers. That is a channel keyword. Then to add channel keyword, you have to just go on your icon. Can you see? Click on that, and then click upon Studio, YouTube Studio. Then at the left bottom you will see settings. Go in settings and then go into channel. Then you are going to add your keywords. For adding many keywords, put a comma after each keyword. Then you are going to save it, and then your keyword is done. You have added the keyword to your channel. In this way it is done, guys. It is very much easy, guys.
Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.